Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a PS4 console storage space. Learn how to manage your PS4 console storage space. For example, you can save or you can like download your save game, the file from USB into your console. So you can scroll down. This is the official web from PlayStation that can guide you how to copy your PS4 console save data to USB uh, or vice versa. For example, the first one you can copy from PS4 console system storage to your USB. So you have to prepare the USB storage like a external drive or external like flash disk or flash drive that you have. Then you can connect USB storage device into your PS4 console. Go to the settings here. Application save data management, save data in system storage, then copy to USB storage device. Select the game and place ticks next to the data you wish to copy or select all and select copy. And for the copy from USB to your console, more or less is the same. You can go to the settings, application save data management, save data on USB storage device, and then select copy to system storage. Here you can select game or applications. Place a tick next to each save file that you wish to download or choose select all and select download. And for PS5, uh, I recommend you to transfer your data over your Wi-Fi network. It's easier than you have to plug in your external drive. So you can turn on the Wi-Fi on your console and go to the settings, system software, data transfer, and continue here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.